you have ever looked at OpenGL tutorials, you've probably seen coordinates like this.
The numbers, basically. What do they mean?
Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what these represent in the context of OpenGL. A coordinate is simply a way to describe position. Think of your home address. Your address tells people where your house is located. Coordinates do the same thing, except instead of describing a house, they describe a point in space. In OpenGL, every vertex has a coordinate that tells the GPU where to place that point. In 2D space, we have two coordinates, x and y, to represent the position of a point. As you might have guessed, in 3D space, we use three coordinates, x, y, and z. In our first few programs, we'll mostly draw things on a flat surface, so the z value will usually be 0. X coordinates control the horizontal movement, and y coordinates control the vertical movement. The point 0, 0 is called the origin. The line y equals 0 is called the x-axis, and the line x equals 0 is called the y-axis. In OpenGL, the origin is located at the center of the draw area. Positive x coordinates lie to the right of the origin and negative ones to the left. Positive y coordinates lie above the origin and negative ones below. Positive z coordinates lie outward from the computer screen and negative ones inward. The visible area has coordinates ranging from -1 to +1. So x equals -1 is the far left edge, x equals 1 is the far right edge, y equals -1 is the bottom edge, y equals 1 is the top edge, and 0, 0 is the center. So instead of measuring in pixels, OpenGL initially measures positions using this normalized range. This saves from the hassle of different screen resolutions. Let's review the triangle coordinates we discussed in the previous video. The first vertex is located at -0.5, -0.5, which positions it halfway to the bottom left corner of the screen from the center. The second vertex is at 0, 0.5, placing it halfway to the top edge from the center. Finally, the third vertex is at 0.5, -0.5, which puts it halfway to the bottom right corner of the screen from the center. Now, try drawing these four triangles as an exercise. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.